Good morning. Welcome to the forecast discussion for Wednesday, July 5th, 2023. Of course, I'm your meteorologist, Stephen DiMartino. Just a reminder, tonight at 8 p.m. we have our live chat. I look forward to seeing you there. This morning it is rather muggy out there with temperatures ranging from the mid to upper 70s over the northern interior, upper 70s to lower 80s along the coast, with winds generally light and variable. We have some areas of low clouds are starting to give way. We had some fog earlier on, but that has dissipated. And visibility overall ranges from 6 to 10 miles over much of the region with muggy conditions. It's just kind of a thick, heavy moisture gradient in over the region with your dew points in the upper 60s to lower 70s along the coast, even a few mid 70s mixed in there. Very tropical air mass. Now, we have a frontal boundary hanging around the region, but this is going to slide off the coast with high pressure taking hold. That's going to mean for the most part, most of the region will actually not feature a thunderstorm, which has been an issue for several days. As you know, yesterday we had some rather impressive thunderstorms drop through central New Jersey, around the Philadelphia metro, through Long Island, producing heavy rainfall, and some delays of some activities out there for Independence Day celebration, delays to games and whatnot. Today, complete opposite. Very quiet out there. Now, I can't rule out an isolated shower or thunderstorm associated with this frontal boundary as it pushes off the coast, but for the most part, it's going to be a rather quiet day with plenty of clear skies. You see that in the visible satellite picture. Clearing skies taking hold of much of the region. A lot of those low clouds out here towards Long Island will continue to burn off. Same thing around Connecticut. And again, a pop-up shower or thunderstorm cannot be ruled out because of the sea breeze front and our frontal boundary. But for the most part, it's going to be a very quiet day. Now, when we take a step back with our infrared satellite picture, you can see pretty quiet over the eastern Great Lakes and the Ohio River Valley. And that's because of high pressure. And that's going to be in place for the next 48 to 60 hours. But trouble is brewing once again out here in the upper Midwest and northern plains with another cold front that's going to slowly approach the region starting Friday evening and continuing on through the weekend with the threat for showers and thunderstorms each day. So unfortunately, we fall right back into our active weather pattern. Let's dive into our forecast for today. Scattered cloud cover. An isolated thunderstorms possible, especially right along the coast, but for the most part, tranquil conditions are expected with warm, muggy conditions, hot conditions with high temperatures ranging from the lower to mid 80s over the northern interior, lower to mid 80s along the coast, and upper 80s to lower 90s in the Delaware River Valley. It'll feel more like the mid to upper 90s throughout the region with that humidity. For tonight into tomorrow, sky cloud cover is expected. Some areas of patchy fog here and there. Look for low temperatures to range from the mid to upper 60s over the northern interior, upper 60s to lower 70s along the coast. Tomorrow afternoon, sky cloud cover is expected with high pressure in place. Again, with the sea breeze front hanging around, I can't rule out an isolated thunderstorm, but for the most part, it's going to be pretty quiet out there with high temperatures ranging once again from the mid 80s over the interior, mid 80s along the coast, and upper 80s to lower 90s in the Delaware River Valley. On Friday, high pressure again will start to give way with increasing cloud cover in the afternoon and the threat for showers and thunderstorms in the evening. Look for low temperatures to range from the mid to upper 60s. High temperatures will range from the mid to upper 80s over the northern interior, upper 80s to lower 90s in the Delaware River Valley, and lower to mid 80s along the coast. On Saturday, that frontal boundary basically stalls out, and this is going to be the theme for Saturday, Sunday, and for Monday. That constant threat for scattered showers and thunderstorms. And some of those thunderstorms will be capable of reaching severe levels with heavy downpours, frequent lightning, wind gusts over 60 miles per hour in a few of them, and yes, even an isolated tornado. So we fall right back into that active weather pattern. Temperatures through the period will range from the mid to upper 60s over the interior, upper 60s to lower 70s along the coast for lows. High temperatures will range from the upper 70s to mid 80s over the northern interior, lower to mid 80s along the coast, and mid 80s to lower 90s in the Delaware River Valley. Now, why that range? Well, basically, it's dependent on where these thunderstorms set up each day. If you get thunderstorms lingering over your region, you're obviously going to remain cooler and still muggy. But if you miss these thunderstorms and you get more scattered cloud cover, your temperatures are going to warm up into the 80s and 90s pretty easily. So we're going to have to watch to see where these showers and thunderstorms set up. On Tuesday, look for scattered cloud cover with only an isolated shower or thunderstorm possible. Look for low temperatures in the mid-60s over the interior, upper 60s to lower 70s along the coast for lows. High temperatures will range from the lower to mid-80s over the interior and along the coast, mid to upper 80s in the Delaware River Valley. And on Wednesday, an area of low pressure will pass off the coast with scattered cloud cover and a few isolated showers. Look for low temperatures to range from the lower to mid-60s over the northern interior, mid to upper 60s along the coast. High temperatures will range from the mid-80s over the interior, the mid-80s along the coast, and upper 80s to lower 90s in the Delaware River Valley. That is your forecast discussion for today. Have a wonderful day, and as always, stay safe out there.